Every legendary jersey begins its journey here, inside India's most advanced sportswear manufacturing facility.
It starts with these high-grade recycled polyester pellets, engineered for elite athletic performance.
Before production begins, every batch undergoes rigorous testing, tensile strength and durability.
The fibers are dried, refined, and prepared, a process that takes 72 hours of continuous precision engineering.
Carding aligns every single fiber in one direction, creating the foundation for a fabric that will stretch, breathe, and endure.
Welcome to the spinning hall, where over 10,000 bobbins transform loose fiber into yarn.
Each yarn is calibrated to 150 denier, Jos, the sweet spot between feather-light comfort and bulletproof durability. A single thread travels over 40 meters through precision guides, tensioners, and quality sensors before it becomes usable yarn. Robotic systems ensure every bobbin is wound with mathematical precision. Zero defects, zero variations. Human eyes and digital sensors work together, because when you're making jerseys for a nation, good enough is never enough.
Over 50 kilometers of certified yarn await transformation, enough thread to circle a football pitch 500 times.
Now the magic begins. Circular knitting machines with 2,000 precision needles interlock every thread into breathable, stretchable fabric.
The fabric is knitted in tubes, a seamless foundation that will later be precision cut into the panels of India's jersey.
Every meter of fabric is inspected under surgical-grade lighting. Any imperfection, marked, logged, and removed. Elasticity test. The fabric must stretch with a striker's explosive movement, then snap back instantly.
Moisture wicking demonstration. Sweat travels through it and evaporates, keeping players cool in the humid heat.
The white canvas is ready. Now comes the most critical transformation, coloring it in the sacred blue of the Indian national team. The dyeing floor, where chemistry, temperature, and timing must align perfectly, or an entire batch is lost.
The target? India's iconic sky blue. Every batch must match this swatch.
The formula is exact. Sky blue base pigment, turquoise accents for the signature streak pattern.
The dye bath is prepared at exactly 60 degrees Celsius, the precise temperature where polyester fibers open their molecular structure to accept permanent color.
A single dyeing machine processes 500 meters of fabric per cycle, enough for 400 jerseys.
Under pressure and heat, the dye penetrates deep into the polyester molecules. This is molecular bonding. The command center monitors every variable in real time. Temperature, pH, pressure. If anything drifts out...
Peak temperature, 130 degrees Celsius. At this heat, under 3-bar pressure, the dye and fiber become one inseparable entity.
Post-dye rinsing. Excess dye is washed away until the runoff runs crystal clear. The sky blue glows with a depth that only molecular-level dye bonding can achieve.
Industrial drying at 180 degrees, the fabric passes through 12 heated cylinders, emerging perfectly flat, dry.
Color fastness test. 50 abrasive rubs. The test cloth stays white. This jersey won't bleed color.
Delta E reading, 0.3, well within the 0.5 tolerance. This batch is certified as match perfect to India's national team blue. Delta E reading, 0.3, well within the 0.5 tolerance. This batch is certified as match perfect to India's national team blue.
Each roll is wound with tension control accurate to the gram. Wrinkles or misalignment here would ruin the printing stage.
A single roll, 2 meters wide, 200 kilograms, destined to become 80 pieces of India's armor for the pitch.
Next stop, digital printing source, where the iconic diagonal turquoise streak pattern is applied with photographic precision.
64 precision nozzles, firing 100,000 droplets per second. The streak pattern you see on every Indian jersey.
The streak pattern, designed to evoke speed, energy, and the relentless forward momentum of Indian football.
At 30 meters per minute, the pattern emerges, diagonal turquoise streaks slicing across the sky blue. Watch the transformation proceed. Plain blue on the left, iconic Indian turquoise aqua streaks diagonal jersey pattern on the right.
Infrared curing at 160 degrees. The ink is flash bonded to the fibers in 8 seconds flat.
Alignment check. Every streak must match the master template to within 0.1 millimeter. The human eye catches what machines might miss. 30 simulated wash cycles. The streaks haven't faded, bled, or cracked. This pattern will survive tournament after tournament.
UV UV resistance test, simulating 500 hours of Indian summer sun. The color holds. Whether it's Guwahati. The canvas is complete, sky blue and turquoise, united in a pattern that millions of fans will instantly recognize as Indian football.
Automated spreading. 50 layers of fabric aligned by laser guidance. The foundation for precision cutting that minimizes waste and maximizes consistency. Computer-guided blades cut through 50 layers simultaneously. Front, back, sleeves, and collar pieces. The cut is surgical wrap. Clean edges, perfect pattern alignment across all layers. What was a roll of fabric is now 50 identical jersey panels.
Front panels, back panels, sleeves, each stack tagged with a digital chip that tracks it through every remaining stage.
From flat fabric to three-dimensional jersey, the sewing floor is where everything comes together.
The sewing floor, 200 skilled operators, 200 precision machines, one unified purpose, constructing jerseys worthy of representing India.
Shoulder seams first, overlocked with matching thread, creating a flat, strong join that won't irritate skin during a full match.
Sleeve attachment. The diagonal streaks must align perfectly at the shoulder seam. A mismatch of even 2 millimeters means rejection.
The collar, rib knit for stretch, reinforced for durability. It must survive 90 minutes of intense play and thousands of fan celebrations.
Twin needle hemming. Flat, stretchable, invisible. The jersey must look as professional on the 90th minute as it does in the tunnel before kickoff.
Side seams complete the body shape. The jersey is no longer flat fabric. It's beginning to look like something a national team player would wear with pride. Flat lock underarm panels. Zero bulk, zero chafing. When a winger raises his arm to celebrate, he feels nothing but comfort. Every jersey gets an embedded RFID chip. From factory to fan, every garment's journey is digitally traceable.
The assembled jersey bloom, sky blue, turquoise streaks, perfect construction. But it's not complete until it carries the symbols of national pride.
Now for the heart of the jersey, the AIFF crest, embroidered directly over the player's heartbeat.
12 needles, 15,000 stitches, 4 colors of thread. The AIFF crest emerges with photographic precision.
Every crest is inspected stitch by stitch. Imperfections are not tolerated. This emblem represents 1.4 billion Indians.
The manufacturer logo, heat pressed at 150 degrees for 12 seconds. Permanent, flexible, and precisely positioned on the right chest.
The number on the back. Every digit is positioned by laser guide, ensuring every jersey on the pitch looks identical from the broadcast cameras.
Quality control. 23-point inspection checklist. Seams, stitches, colors, alignment, sizing, and durability. One fail and the jersey never leaves this room. Stretch test. The jersey must recover to perfect shape after being pulled to maximum extension. A defender's jersey takes a beating. This one can take it. Weight check. 180 grams slick, the optimal balance between durability and featherlight performance. Any heavier, final steam press wood. 200 degrees of precision finishing. Wrinkles disappear, the fabric takes its final shape, and the jersey looks match day ready.
There it is, Dane, India's football jersey. Sky blue like the dreams of a nation. Turquoise streaks like lightning on the pitch.
Every angle considered. Every detail deliberate. This isn't just sportswear.
Premium packaging, tissue wrapped, certified authentic, and sealed with a holographic sticker. From our factory to the national team thousands of jerseys, each one identical in quality, each one carrying the same national pride. This is manufacturing at the scale of a nation's passion.
From this factory floor to that stadium stand, the same sky blue, the same streaks, the same emblem. Maker and fan, united in blue.
And when the players pull this jersey over their heads, they're not just wearing fabric. They're wearing the work of 500 skilled hands and the dreams of a billion fans.
Made in India. Worn with pride. This is how India's football jerseys are made.